In various areas of life, role models inspire us to excel. Names like Ronaldo and Messi in soccer, Michael Jordan and LeBron James in basketball, and Usain Bolt in athletics are greatly admired. For young Adventist preachers in college, role models may include E. Cleveland, Charles D. Brooks, or Mark Finley. But who should be our ultimate role model when it comes to giving? Throughout history, many individuals have inspired others through their generosity toward God. Yet, one stands above all, God Himself. John 3:16 reveals that God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. There was nothing more precious that God could give than His only Son, Jesus, a demonstration of love unparalleled in history. As His children and followers, we are called to emulate God's example in giving, offering by His grace the best of what He has entrusted to us. The urgent mission of spreading the gospel to those who need it most compels us to look to God as our role model in generosity. As we return our tithe and promise, regular and systematic offerings, may we put our desires last and God first.